Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, confirm your PC meets basic requirements for the Xbox app. Check that you have Windows 10 version 18362, 0 or higher installed. Make sure your internet speed is at least 5 Mbps for downloads. Free up at least 5 GB of disk space and keep 4 GB of RAM available. Sign in to a Microsoft account before you begin the installation process. Finally, enable background apps in settings so the Xbox app can update and run correctly. Open Microsoft Store on your PC and use the search box to find Xbox. Select the official Xbox app from Microsoft Corporation and click the Get or Install button. If the store prompts for updates, click Update and restart your PC before continuing. Wait for the download and automatic installation to finish. After installation, launch the Xbox app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Accept any requested permissions so the app can access network and system features. After signing in, open Settings in the Xbox app and enable Game Bar for recording and overlay. Turn on background app permissions so updates and notifications arrive on time. To play from your Xbox console, select Console Streaming or use the Connect tab to link devices. Add installed PC games by choosing My Library and scanning for new titles. If the app fails, reset it in Windows settings or run WS Reset EXE to clear the store cache. Reinstall the app from
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.